advise the opinions and views of the hosts and guests do not reflect those of the station.
Good morning, you're on the Business Portal, your gateway to business trends and opportunities. My name is Boom San Agustin and this is SME Forum. Okay, so hi everybody. Welcome back. Yeah, it's been a long time now. Yeah. It's been like two consecutive shows. We haven't done. Yeah, I missed you, man. No, we saw each other 2 days ago, right?
Yeah.
What event was that? E-commerce 102 Live.
Very successful event.
Very successful. Congratulations to all those who I mean, all the speakers there. It was very good.
Yeah.
You were one of them.
Really? Wow.
Yeah. I like your
Oh,
topic.
thank you
very
much.
good.
And I
very
really
good.
appreciated the crowd, the audience.
Yeah,
the participants were really awesome.
Exactly, the participants, perfect, and
Yeah.
there were a lot of them.
Yeah, and we have two of them right here, actually.
Oh, we have two participants right here.
What a coincidence.
But they were booked well before that.
Oh,
right?
okay, right,
Yeah.
good.
Wait, why are they here?
Because they have special knowledge that we want to learn.
Oh, okay. Nobody tells me anything else.
It's a surprise.
It's a
actually.
surprise, really?
Yeah.
Really? Okay. Well, anyway, what will we be talking about right now? I think it's a little dark, don't you think? Or is it we're all in black?
Yeah,
Maybe, right. Okay, so what will we be talking about right now? We'll be talking about a topic that might be a little alien to you, social networking. We'll find out what that means, okay? But it's not just social networking, it's social networking with a twist.
What the?
Yeah, like when you do this to your fingers, it breaks. That's it. All right?
Twisting, okay.
Yeah, exactly. So, Alvin, maybe you'd like to introduce our first guest.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'll introduce them together.
Oh, right. Well, okay.
They're collectively known as Tom and Jelly.
Tom and Jelly.
Yeah, that's how I remember their names. Actually.
Right.
Tom
Okay.
and Jelly, and let's let them introduce themselves.
All right.
Let's start with Jelly.
Yeah, Jelly. Ladies first.
Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Yeah.
Pwede ba magtagalog?
Pwede.
Pwede. I am Jelly, Angelica Rondolo. Mas kilala ako sa Jelly. I'm presently lives in the Philippines, of course, and my partner, Tom Suzara.
Okay. So, Tom.
Hi, I'm Tom Susara. I'm here also in the Philippines, like her.
Sorry.
And yeah,
That's really obvious, no? Are we taping in Singapore or something?
actually, I'm a graphic designer.
Okay. And your company is called PSIE.
PSIE.
What does PSIE stand for?
It stands for Pinoy Success Internet Entrepreneur.
Pinoy Success Internet Entrepreneurs.
Catchy,
Wow,
catchy.
that's catchy,
Okay.
right?
Yep.
Pinoy Success Internet Entrepreneurs. Bakit PSIE, Tom?
Kasi para sa mga Pinoy talaga na, alam mo yung gusto nilang maging entrepreneur sila, na mabuksan yung mind nila yung entrepreneurial mind nila ma-open.
Okay, so bakit Pinoy Success, maintindihan natin yan. Pero yung internet entrepreneurs, bakit?
Kasi nasa e-commerce na tayo ngayon eh.
Okay.
No, we are more on online.
Mhm.
So, ang business natin dapat, bukod na sa meron tayong offline mode, meron tayo dapat online.
Aha.
No, kasi pag ang business natin nasa online, I think, mas maganda ang dating, ang flow,
Okay.
mas kakalat, mas mabilis ang
Okay.
sales.
So, I mean, before we get to your backgrounds
Okay.
muna, and before we get to how you started the company,
Okay.
I just want to tackle that online thing. Kasi marami kaming viewers dito na are located in outside Metro Manila. Mostly farming communities and stuff like that. And so, sinasabi nyo, kung ako magsasaka, I can put my business online?
Yes, of
Yes,
course.
possible.
It's possible, no?
It's possible.
Okay. So, kaya makinig kayo kasi they're going to show us a few things also but social networking style. Just one aspect of that. Hindi yung buo. Ano? Okay, so let's go to their backgrounds muna, Alvin.
Right.
Ano kaya?
Interesting,
Sino
eh?
ba sila, di ba?
Who are you?
Yeah, who are you? Why are you here? Hindi.
Naimbitan lang.
Hindi, let's start with Jelly. Paano ka nag-umpisa as an entrepreneur?
I started at the age of 18.
None. Wow.
Okay.
Working student.
Yan, nakikinig ka mga anak ko. Mga
Yan.
Sige, tapos.
So, yun, nag-OJT ako sa Manila. And then, sabi ko, sayang naman yung opportunity. So, since I'm from Pateros,
Pateros.
sabi ko,
Okay.
di ba mas kilala ang Pateros sa balot saka itlog na maalat?
Okay.
So, dala ako ng itlog at maalat. From Pateros to Escolta.
Okay.
Layo-layo yan.
Tapos
So,
sayang.
dinadala mo doon.
Yes.
Tapos?
Tapos may dala din akong tsinelas.
Ayun.
That's how I started.
Okay.
I'm not really good in selling, pero I think nakita ko yung passion ko, na kapag yung isang produkto gusto ko sa ginagamit ko, mas madali ko siyang nabebenta.
So,
I
ganun.
don't really sell something that I don't have, that I never use.
Okay.
Wala akong personal recommendation. I cannot-
Favorite mo ang balot.
siya. Ako favorite ko ang itlog na maalat.
Okay.
Ayun, okay.
So yun, so that's how I started. Tapos working student ako at 18. Tapos just after I graduated as a marketing at Polytechnic University in the Philippines sa Santa Mesa. Kasi dalawa yan eh, merong Lepanto saka Santa Mesa. So from 18 to 21, pumasok ako as secretary sa isang warehousing. So I took up a night shift course para matapos ko lang siya.
Okay.
So, instead na magamit mo yung 21 units sa isang semestral, 18 lang ako or 15. So, nagsa-summer ako lagi to complete everything.
Wow, so you really wanted to get into business para
Yeah.
to augment yung allowance mo.
Yeah, kasi
Okay.
like what my dad said, tama na yan.
Oo.
So, I cannot ask for more. Saka ayoko ma-disappoint. So, what I did, ayoko ma-disappoint. Trabaho ko sarili ko. So, yun, that's how I started. Tapos, yun na, dire-diretso na. Tapos, I took up yung isang realty company sa Makati. They hired me as a part-time secretary.
Okay.
So, pag may mga events, sinatawagan nila ako. Sabi ko, wow, okay to. Enjoy ako kasi per day per project yung bayad sa akin eh. Tapos nagustuhan nila ako. Sasabi nila, pwede ka bang magtrabaho sa aral? Tapos sa gabi ka, magtrabaho sa araw, sa gabi ka na lang mag-aral sa school.
Okay.
So, that's the time I took up the night shift course. Tapos, pagka-graduate ko, putol ang allowance ko sa papa ko. Tapos, day 1, pumasok na ako sa realty company as a secretary that time.
Secretary.
Tapos, they encouraged me na kumuha ng licensing exam.
So, nag-broker ka?
Yeah. So, I passed the
okay.
exam at the age of 22. Tapos, yun na. Kasi almost 2 years ako sa kanila on and off. Sabi ko, wow, kinukompete ko yung commission nila. Sabi ko, wow, gusto ko ng ganitong pera. Gusto ko yung kinukompete ko, pera ko. So, nagkaroon ako agad ng mindset na sabi ko, gusto ko. So, when I look up to them, sabi ko, gusto ko maging katulad nila ako. Ayoko talaga, to be honest, ayoko maging empleyado.
Ayun. Okay, let's go to Tom naman. Tom, you're an artist. Okay? And you took up fine arts. That's art, di ba? It's very hard for me to find, artists na with an entrepreneur mindset also. So paano ka nakagat? How did you become an entrepreneur?
Actually, nag-start ako, halos siguro naman tayo, nag-start ako as employee. Yung aking expertise like sa graphic designing, actually, wala pa yun sa akin before eh. Although advertising ako, pero yung batch ko, sa PWU nga pala ako, no? Isa ako sa mga naunang lalaki doon. Yung batch namin, wala kaming computer na ano. Although advertising, no? Pero wala pa rin.
Okay.
Wala pa rin. Meron siguro konti mga Corel Draw, pero hindi ko alam. Hindi ko kinukuha. More on freehand kami.
Okay.
Tapos yung after a while, no, marami ako naging trabaho na hindi related sa course ko.
Okay.
So, nag-work din ako as a working student sa KFC, sa Pedro Hill,
Yeah.
kasi malapit sa women's yun. Tapos, nag-encoder ako sa isang multinational company. Hanggang sa dumating yung time yung cousin ko, which is also a graphic artist sa isang company, nagbuo siya ng graphic designing agency. Ang una niya nilapitan ako.
Okay.
So, yung dalawa kami doon, wala akong alam, as in zero alam ko pa sa Adobe, sa Illustrator, Photoshop, that time. More on freehand kasi ako. For 2 months, crash course ako sa kanya. tinuruan niya ako. Hanggang sa natuto na ako, tapos after few years, umalis ako, nagtayo ako ng sarili ko. Kasi nakita ko yung passion ko dun sa ginawa niya, na ginagawa ko din. Sabi ko, I can be like him also. Sabi ko, siguro pa, better pa than him. Kasi, mas iba yung mind ko eh. Entrepreneur siya, entrepreneur din ako, pero involved ako sa online. Siya hindi.
Okay.
So, mas nakita ko na mas mag-grow pa rin ako talaga dito. Saka, nakakapagod din talaga yung may boss din kasi. Maganda yung sarili mo na yung boss mo eh. Diba?
Pwede rin.
Diba?
Okay. Pero wait, somebody texted in.
Oh, okay.
Pero hindi,
Sige.
it isn't a question. Bumabati lang siya ng good morning.
Good morning.
Last 4 digits ng number niya, 7117. Kung sino ka man, good morning ka rin. Okay, by the way, if you need to text us, you can text us here, 0947-796-9361. Alright, so if you have any questions. Okay, balik tayo dito. So, Jelly ka ulit. Paano kayo paano nyo na-form itong company na PSIE na to? How was it formed? What was the idea behind it?
Meron kami isang kapartner. Kilala niyo yun.
Nag-guest din dito,
Yeah,
si Edison.
si Edison.
At saka si Josel.
The couple. So ngayon, meron siya kasi negative background doon sa isang industry. Sabi niya, why not consider internet or online marketing?
What industry is that?
MLM.
Okay, so may negative
Siya.
Okay, yeah,
Kasi may bad experience siya.
May
So
bad
ngayon,
experience siya, okay.
so ngayon, umattend siya ng internet marketing course sa isang hotel. So he paid around 9,000 pesos that time. So tapos niya yon, mga digital marketing, mga taga-Ateneo nag-contact niyan. And then sabi doon sa speaker, sabi ni speaker, kailangan kung magsisimula ka to, you always start, you look for a mentor. Tapos sabi niya, nag-browse siya sa isip niya, sabi niya, meron ba talagang kumikita sa internet? Kasi di ba parang new thing for you eh, especially in the Philippines, hindi talaga tayo kilala sa online marketing. So, nag-browse siya, tinignan niya, tapos nag-YouTube siya, nakita niya ako ngayon sa YouTube.
Nakita ka?
Pilipina, internet, network. So, yun, doon niya
Okay.
ako nakita. Tapos, he added me on Facebook. Medyo isnabera ako sa Facebook kasi nga I'm using the ethical way of how to do the social media something.